back at the Lowe's #1. This is the one located in Little City. And I think we're going to start off with the Garden Center. So, yeah. So, let's check out those Atlas AP50 and TUCs. See how they're still going. See how they're still thriving. And, yeah, these speakers inside are the noisiest speaker horns are, and they're really loud. So hopefully I don't talk over the paging on these speakers. So
Bruh.
okay, I just heard another. Okay, that was the paging right there. I don't know if you heard it, but how's it going? So yeah, there it is right here. There it is right there. They sound really good too. It definitely seen better days though. Here's a good old Atlas. And what's weird, it kind of looks like it was disconnected, but from distance it's not. It actually works. I literally just heard it. So, and then there's another one right over there. This one I always remember filming, and then every time I film it, I always end up catching this one paging a lot. So, yeah, let's go ahead and film this guy over here. So, it's not that busy in the Garden Center right now. Oh, yep, there it is, right there. Final look at this. That's a good angle right there. I feel last time I remember they literally cranked the volume on the speaker. Oh wait, I think I see one right here. Oh. Let's just look at that. I did miss some horns. Oh, dang it, I think it's disconnected. Because I can see the wire dangling. That's a shame. Hope I don't get caught by anyone in here, but I see another one right there. Who knows, this one works. That one's seen better days, so yeah. I know it might work, I don't know, who knows. Another one of these Atlas AP50 TCs. With my luck I can catch paging though. I don't know. Who knows if it's rush hour. See. So I was hearing your page as soon as I walked in, but yeah. So yeah, I did when I was first here last year. They were in rush hour, but I don't know if this Lowe's is on rush hour right now. So let me get closer to that speaker so I can get a better shot of it. Alright. see. And in case y'all don't know about the speaker, is that this speaker right here used to, because I remember hearing the announcements going off from the speaker. How's it going? So this speaker, I think it also it doesn't work for page only, but it also works for announcements as well. Because usually a bunch of Lowe's locations I went to, they usually use there's some locations I went to that had the 4J's horns. They would just use page only completely. So yeah, it's just a shame they're not playing music, but it'll be cool if they did though. So yeah. I think I might take a final look at these Atlas AP15QCs, but because unfortunately, I think the ones over there, I think those are disconnected. Because when I first heard this speaker, I only heard this one, and I think the ones over there are deactivated. So it was just those two over there that were. So I think it's playing a song called Dreamin' by Zane. Sounds really good. Take a listen to this speaker. Might get copyright in this song, but you know it's kind of worth filming anyway, because you know this is probably history. But yeah, they do sound good. So yeah, that one's disconnected. Dude, how long was it from the paging if these videos are literally deactivating? That's so annoying. They need to replace these speakers. Bro, that one's deactivated too. What the heck? Then the one hearing is this one right there. Let's go from that 4J horn. Alright.
What you need, the moment you need it. Well, you plan your project, calculate your materials, and pivot. Your job takes an unexpected turn. And with our pro-only checkout and dedicated pro parking, you have what you need to tackle your job and be back on the job.
Impressive. Wait, let's see if I catch the. Wait, I can hear the announcement. If I catch the announcements on these. Wait, I heard it for a second. Wait, they do play announcements. Wait, I think I heard that one, but I don't know if I heard this one though. So I think they do play announcements as well. That's kind of surprising. Oh, it's playing Coldplay. That's pretty cool. I think the song's called Higher Power. I'm hearing birds again. Let's go check out ceiling fans. These speakers are really loud. But yeah, here's the ceiling fan section right there. And there's a good old Hamilton model. It's like those really interesting ones with the cage. I don't know what this one is. It's a Somerville. I'm trying to like switch the colors because I don't want to kick it out. So yeah, modern ceiling fans in here. I couldn't remember they used to have like vintage ceiling fans, old ceiling fan styles. Oh, there's the mirror. That's the mirror too. My grandma had those, and also has a wayport as well. That's pretty interesting. Very nice ceiling fans in here.
How's it going, man?
How's it going? Now I'll take another look at these Atlas Atlas SC-72Ws. UCs. And they're really loud. I think they really cranked up the volume on these speakers. That's probably the reason why the speakers in the bar center are very loud. Yeah, I think a lot of those fans in there are flickering because the LED lights are just failing. Like good old 4J speaker right there. That's really good. Might get copyright in this song, but you know, it's kind of worth filming anyway. So fans. Alright, so I did catch a little bit of the paging of the Garden Center, but so yeah, I guess we might as well exit the store. So yeah, let's go ahead and exit the store. There's also a 4J speaker in the entrance as well that I probably might show y'all. Okay, never mind. That one has emergency exit, never mind. So I can show y'all a picture of it. Oh, right there. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Alright. Well, you guys outside. Alright, so that was a really interesting tour. And I just want to say thanks so much for watching. If you want to like and subscribe, and I'm out.